Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we re-diving deep into one of the most powerful and technologically advanced militaries on the African continent, South Africa's armed forces. Often underestimated, South Africa's military power is a fascinating blend of homegrown innovation, cutting-edge technology, and a long history of strategic excellence. This is not just a story of weapons or tanks. It is a look into how South Africa built the most sophisticated defense system in Africa, combining raw power with intelligence, precision, and discipline that few other nations can match. From the outside, South Africa's military strength stands out immediately in its diverse and modern fleet of vehicles, aircraft, and naval assets. The exterior of its forces showcases a fusion of imported engineering and indigenous designs. Take, for instance, the Rooikat Armored Reconnaissance Vehicle, a masterpiece of mobility and firepower designed to handle Africa's harsh terrains. With its angular shape, durable armor plating, and 8-wheel drive system, the Rooikat not only looks formidable, but is purpose-built for both speed and endurance in combat. Its stealthy design minimizes radar detection, giving South Africa an edge in modern warfare. Similarly, the G6 Rhino self-propelled howitzer commands attention. A massive beast with a sleek yet intimidating silhouette, designed to deliver heavy artillery support while maintaining remarkable maneuverability. These machines reflect the South African approach: durable, efficient, and powerful, ready for the unpredictable environments they operate in. Moving inside, the interior of South Africa's military technology tells another story, one of comfort, intelligence, and control. The cockpits of South African-made aircraft like the Rooivalk attack helicopter are outfitted with modern digital avionics, heads-up displays, and ergonomic layouts that enhance pilot awareness. The same attention to detail is visible in the interiors of armored vehicles, where space optimization meets protection. Inside the Rooikat, for example, soldiers operate in a tightly integrated environment with advanced communication systems and shock-absorbing seats, designed to withstand explosions and rough terrain. The Navy's submarines, such as the Heroine class, boast high-tech sonar systems, automated controls, and secure communication setups, allowing the crew to operate in silence and efficiency. South Africa's military engineers have focused not only on exterior strength, but on interior intelligence, ensuring that every vehicle, aircraft, or vessel is as functional inside as it is intimidating outside. Performance-wise, the South African National Defence Force, SANDF, delivers a balance of speed, precision, and adaptability. The Air Force operates Swedish-made JS-39 Gripen fighter jets, which can reach speeds over Mach 2 and perform agile maneuvers in both defensive and offensive missions. Combined with the Rooivalk helicopter, the aerial wing of South Africa's military is capable of both close air support and long-range engagements. On the ground, the G6 Rhino's range exceeds 30 kilometers, firing shells with incredible accuracy even in rough terrain. Its high mobility allows it to reposition quickly, avoiding counterfire, a feature usually reserved for top-tier armies. The South African Navy, too, plays a critical role, with modern frigates like the Valor class equipped with anti-air, anti-surface, and anti-submarine capabilities. This three-branch synergy of land, air, and sea operations highlights South Africa's ability to perform seamlessly across all environments. It is not just about owning advanced equipment. It is about mastering its use through elite training and constant modernization. When it comes to safety features, South Africa's defense systems are built with the protection of personnel as a top priority. The armored vehicles utilize advanced composite armor that can resist anti-tank mines and improvised explosives, a crucial factor given Africa's conflict history. Many of these designs were developed during the years of regional warfare, where survivability was as important as firepower. South Africa's infantry vehicles often feature V-shaped hulls, a design that deflects blast energy away from the crew, an innovation that many countries later adopted. In the air, pilots rely on ejection systems, radar warning receivers, and countermeasure pods that enhance survivability during engagements. Naval vessels are equipped with advanced radar and missile defense systems, providing early warning and interception capabilities. The safety philosophy behind the SANDF's equipment focuses on keeping soldiers alive, alert, and capable of fighting another day. This commitment to troop protection has helped South Africa earn respect not only for its offensive capabilities, but also for its ability to safeguard its own forces. What truly sets South Africa's military apart, however, are its unique selling points, the qualities that make it one of a kind in Africa. First is its self-reliance. South Africa is one of the few African nations with a strong domestic defense industry, led by Denel, Paramount Group, and other companies that design and manufacture world-class military equipment. From drones and armored vehicles to missiles and helicopters, much of South Africa's defense hardware is either locally built or heavily customized to meet specific national needs. This independence ensures a steady supply chain and allows constant innovation without reliance on foreign powers. Second, its training programs are among the toughest and most disciplined on the continent. The South African Army's Special Forces, known as the Reckies, are legendary for their rigorous selection process and elite skill set, capable of operating in any terrain or climate. Their reputation extends internationally, where they often train alongside NATO and UN forces. Another unique strength lies in South Africa's focus on peacekeeping. The SANDF frequently leads missions across Africa under the African Union and United Nations, helping stabilize conflict zones, a blend of military strength and humanitarian commitment that defines the country's global role. When discussing price and investment, it's worth noting that South Africa operates with a modest defense budget compared to global powers, yet manages to extract maximum value from every dollar spent. The country's defense spending typically ranges around $3–4 billion annually, a figure that supports modern equipment, extensive training, and innovation. Instead of chasing large-scale expansion, South Africa prioritizes quality over quantity, focusing on precision, reliability, and tactical flexibility. The indigenous production of weapons and vehicles reduces import costs, allowing the SANDF to maintain cutting-edge technology without financial overreach. This cost-efficient model has attracted attention from other African nations, many of which seek to replicate South Africa's approach by investing in homegrown defense industries and training programs. The success of this model demonstrates that true military strength doesn't always come from massive budgets, but from smart investment and strategic development. In conclusion, South Africa's military stands as a symbol of what vision, innovation, and discipline can achieve. From its rugged exterior designs to its intelligent interior systems, from unmatched performance to groundbreaking safety features, the SANDF has earned its place as the most advanced and respected military force in Africa. Its unique ability to blend indigenous technology with world-class tactics makes it a force to be reckoned with, one that commands respect both at home and abroad. Beyond hardware and firepower, it's the professionalism of its soldiers and the resilience of its systems that define its success. South Africa's military isn't built merely for war, it's built for stability, protection, and national pride. As the world looks to Africa's rising influence, South Africa continues to stand as a benchmark for military excellence, a reminder that true power lies not in numbers but in mastery, innovation, and unity.